Again. Today we have a Leetcode easy problem where you want to find all the lonely nodes. Given the read of a binary tree, return an array containing the values of all lonely nodes in a tree. So to do this problem, I think we should use BFS, which is breadth first search traversal of the binary tree. And so basically we want to use a deck, which is basically a double-ended queue. And so I imported deck from the collections, and now you want to instantiate a variable queue, which is equal to a deck. And then you want to append the root value to the deck. So now the queue contains one node, which is a root node. So you want to loop through the queue, and you want to find the length of the queue, and then loop through that and pop out a node. So right now, you want I set size equal to the length of the queue, and now you want to do for you want to loop through the queue, and you do for lowercase symbol to in range size, and you pop out the node from the left side of the queue, which is basically popping out the first node of the queue. And so basically a lonely node is if it's the only child of this parent node. So the way you find that is if, for example, if the node has a left child but no right child, then you want to return the node.left.val, and so on. If the node has a right child and not a left child, then you want to return node.right.val. So that's what we're gonna write here. If node.left and not node.right.val, I forgot to set a result or an output array. Now you want to append the node.left.val to the array. And you want to do the same thing for if node.right and not node.left.val. Append that node to to the res. And then if you want to append each child to the queue, so if node.left, append that value to the node to queue. If node.right, append that to queue. And you want to return the res. Oh, I have an error. What error is this? All right, yeah, okay. Okay, it works, hopefully. Yeah, it works faster, 16.28%. And now that's a B+, I think. Thanks, guys.